This is Eric Muathe, Muathe.com. Take a look here at the markets. Over the last 2 days, we've seen the market drop about 1,800 points or just close to 2,000 points on the Dow. And let's take a look at the charts here, and we're going to be taking a look at the hourly chart for the Dow. And here, just to be clear, I'm using RSI setting at 26. The reason I'm using 26 is so I can remove as many false signals as possible. Now, coming off the highs of the week, right here at the close, the Dow has gone on to lose. That was on Wednesday, and the Dow has gone on to drop about 1,800, 2,000 points from the highs here. Now, if we take a look at the RSI and MACDs, we can see that that corresponds with some of the things that we know are consistent with technical analysis. Here, take a look at the behavior of the RSI. The RSI went above 50 and back below it with uniform action. That tends to be a sell signal, especially in a fast-paced market where we have the VIX trading above the mid-teens. Right now, the VIX is trading in the 40s. So any type of signal in the short term is going to yield big results in terms of point swings. So whenever we saw that uniform activity rejection on the Dow here, this is consistent with this pullback and a massive drop in the market after that. Good for about 2,000 points. To be consistent with that observation of the RSI showing uniform activity, again, I don't talk about the MACDs a lot, but take a look at what we know. Uniform activity above the zero line and back below it also was another sell signal, and we can see the consequences of dropping back below RSI 50. The key is the uniform action above zero and back below it, and you can take a look at my videos for more about this. Confirmation of uniform activity can also be seen here on the other MACD setting, where we go above zero, back below it, above zero, back below it. That is confirmation of double top rejection when trying to recapture the zero line, and that in itself was also a sell signal. Now, let me add some more color in terms of timing. Remember, we talked about uniform activity rejection here, coming off Wednesday's high, and the market has since pulled back. Confirmation, if you knew what you are looking for and what to look for, is number one, I discussed this area here with subscribers. That rejection area was a backtest failure area, and believe it or not, this was matched perfectly with another line coming from the top side of the RSI. Again, this is on the hourly for the Dow, and we can draw it this way, connecting the tops of the RSI. You'll notice how it matches up very nicely with the resistance here, right there. In fact, the market will go on to gap down the very next day, confirming resistance on that RSI crossover between the red and the blue line. This is Eric Muathe, Muathe.com. Do enjoy your weekend. As always, good luck, peace, and blessings. ETFs.